In the last video, we showed you a server rack that would give your server a home, and at a great price too.
But we never actually talked about what to throw onto it.
So in this video, we're going to do an unboxing of a server case that can get the job done. Here we have a Norco RPC 4224 4U rack mount server case.
This case comes with 24 hot swappable SATA or SAS drive bays, which will be important for getting a Filecoin miner up and going. At the front, you'll find that there are two USB ports with the power and system reset button adjacent to it. In order of length, width, and height, the dimensions are 25.5, 19, and 7 inches, which translates to about 65 centimeters, 48 centimeters, and 18 centimeters respectively.
Once you take out the screwless top cover, you will find that for cooling it comes with 5 80mm fans, 3 of them being located in the middle and 2 in the back. They are also ball bearing fans, allowing for better and longer lasting cooling compared to sleeve bearing fans. For safety, it is RoHS certified and comes with smooth borders to prevent the lacerating of any skin.
Hi, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comment section below. But for now, take care.